Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show you a really quick way that you can create an app where you can perform a signature. So in this app I can sign my name using my mouse if I'm on a computer, and that's going to look something like this. Shunk. I can also type my name down here and that will show up down here. If I'm on an iPad, I can create a signature using my finger, and the same goes for a phone. If you use the Molnify application on a phone, you can create a signature using your finger. So this app is created in Google Sheets, so let's get into how you can create an app just like this. Okay, so here I am in my Google Sheets document, and I'm going to create my first input by typing sign here. Let's spell it correctly, sign here. And then I'm going to turn this into an input by just coloring it green. My next input is going to be name, and I'm going to also color this cell green, but leave the UI cell blank. In the signature UI cell, however, here I'm going to type signature so that Molnify knows that this is going to be a signature input. Now I want to see the signature a little bit larger as well in the app, so I'm going to type signature, and then in this cell I'm going to make a cell reference up to here. But when I upload this, or when I link this as a Molnify app, you're going to see that this will actually not work straight away. I'm going to also type HTML here, and I'm going to get to why that is. But firstly, let's copy the URL of the application, head on over to app.molnify.com and click create app, and then under Google Sheets click link existing. We're pasting in the URL here, and now Molnify is turning the Google Sheets document into a Molnify app that we can visit. Now we see we have two inputs here. It says sign here and then name, and here I can actually sign my name like this. So what happens now? Well, in this box up here, we don't see a signature. We see the code for the signature, and this is explained in our reference guide. The default format for a signature is base 30, but to retrieve the SVG code, you need to add a second text input, which can preferably be hidden. In the UI cell of the signature, add JS on change, copy SVG to text input. And from the reference guide, I can actually copy this text here, and then I'll just head back to the application or the Google Sheets document, and I'll type a semicolon after this, and then I'll just paste the code from the reference guide, the JS on change code. Now we're also supposed to create a second input, and let's call that SVG. Let's turn the input into an input by coloring it green, and in the UI cell, let's spell out hidden so we won't see it in the app. Now for this cell, let's not point it at D4 anymore. Let's point this one at D5 instead. Okay, let's go back to the app, click the cloud, and hit update. Now when I sign here, we can see that the signature displays really nicely in this HTML box. I also want to include the name, so if I type Matthias here, I want that to show up under here. So I'm going to do that by adding some HTML to this HTML output box. So after D5, I'm adding an and sign, and then I'm going to type BR, and then a cell reference to D6. Back to the app again and hit update. And now I can sign my name here, and I can also type out Matthias down here, and that shows up here. So this app also have enabled for save set to true. So that means I can save scenarios in this application. So maybe I want to save my signature. I'll create a scenario called Matthias. I can hit private if I want to, but I'll just hit save. So now when I reload my app, it's of course everything is white. I can go up to select scenario and pick Matthias, and I can see my signature. That's it for this really quick tutorial. If you want to try to upload your own Excel files or link your own Google Sheets models to Molnify, please head on over to app.molnify.com and start your 14-day free trial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.